Hello, I'm Miss A Soma. Welcome to my Japanese lesson. I'm always saying that pitch accent is important, but it's not so important. I mean, it's not must-do rule, but I've found really unbelievably important word. I mean that you must memorize this pitch pattern because it's really confusing. ane, flat style, means older sister. Ani, head high style, means older brother. If you use wrong pitch, it might be really confusing situation like the following. 今度私の兄が結婚します。
へえ、そうなの。おめでとう。
お兄さん結婚するんだ。
兄の旦那さんはミュージシャンです。
お兄さんの旦那さん？
アメリカだもんね。なんかすごいね。かっこいい。
はい、かっこいいです。She was saying Anu. She meant a ne, but the ne is really weak and the speech pattern is high-low. So most Japanese think it's brother. So you have to practice these two words. Especially you have older brother or older sister. 姉、兄。姉がいます。姉がいます。兄がいます。兄がいます。兄がいます。姉がいます。います。います。姉がいます。姉がいます。Both of them are correct. And someone might cannot understand the low highs fluctuation. So if you can't understand about this pitch, please say ne and ni clearly. Ne, ni, ne, ni, ne, ni clearly. Then we can avoid that kind of misunderstanding.
あんちゃんね、ゲイのお兄さんがいる。
まあいいや。So that's all for today's video. I am making pitch accent video of nouns made of two hiraganas now editing, but this one is really important for everyone, so I made just this example. そんなわけでした。どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!